We have another example, number 4. So we have 5x plus 2 over 6x squared plus 2x, and then minus x plus 2 over 3x squared minus 8x minus 3. So we have different denominator, and we are going to factor. The first denominator, 6x squared plus 2x, have a common factor of 2x. So we have 6x squared plus 2x equals 2x. 6x squared divided by 2x, you have 3x. 2x divided by 2x, you have 1. And then the other denominator, 3x squared minus 8x minus 3. 3x squared. So we might have 3x plus 1. So 3x squared divided by 3x, you have x. Negative 3 divided by positive 1 is negative 3. So let us check if my factors are correct. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. 1 times x is x. Plus negative 9x, you have a negative 8x. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Therefore, the LCD will be 2x times 3x plus 1 times x minus 3. Again, the LCD is 2x times 3x plus 1 times x minus 3. Now, the LCD divided by the denominator, wherein the denominator has a factors of 2x times x plus 1, so we can divide this out. What remains will be x minus 3. And then we're going to multiply x minus 3 to 5x plus 2. Minus the LCD divided by the trinomial, wherein the factors are 3x plus 1 and x minus 3, will have a quotient of 2x. And then times the binomial x plus 2. Now, using the FOIL, we'll have 5x squared. So this will be 2x minus 15x is negative 13x. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Now, negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times 2 is negative 4x. All over the LCD 2x times 3x plus 1 times x minus 3. Now, combining like terms, 5x squared and negative 2x, you'll have 3x squared. And then negative 13x minus 4x, you will have negative 17x. And then negative 6 all over 2x times 3x plus 1 times x minus 3. Now we're going to factor the numerator. It might have a 3x because this is a 3x squared and there is an x here. Negative 6. For it to be a negative 17, the number must be a negative 18. So 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Plus x is negative 17x. 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. All over 2x times 3x plus 1 times x minus 3. Divide out the common factor. So the numerator will be x minus 6 over 2x times x minus 3. We cannot divide this out. This is considered as one factor, the binomial. So that is our final answer.